Thailand has a festival to appreciate their monkeys. Amazing, right? It's another episode of Amazing Facts with Chimezie Odemenam. Every last Sunday of November, this festival in Lopburi celebrates the monkeys in a monkey buffet festival. According to Sanskrit folklore, a heroic monkey helped Prince Rama save his bride-to-be from the clutches of a 10-headed demon. Locals also dress up as monkeys and perform for their esteemed guests as they gobble down their royal feast. You are always 7 years behind in Ethiopia. If you live in Ethiopia, you are 7 years behind. Here is one of the most mind-boggling facts about the world. When we welcomed 2020, for example, Ethiopia was only 4 months into 2012. Just like the Gregorian calendar, the one most of us are on, the Ethiopian calendar marks Christ's birth as the starting point. However, following alternate calculations of the Annunciation of Christ, the Ethiopian calendar is 7 to 8 years behind. The official bird of Nigeria is not the eagle. I know you are very familiar with the eagle and could easily say that the eagle is the national bird. You might be wrong. The black-crowned crane is the recognized national bird of Nigeria, endemic to the country and thought to be a sign of prosperity. 2 different species of black-crowned cranes live in Nigeria. The subspecies of the western end of the country are significantly threatened by loss of habitats. This magnificent bird is found in grasslands and wetlands across Africa and is known for its striking appearance with a black crown, white cheeks, and a bright red throat pouch. The black-crowned crane is highly revered in Nigeria, where it is a symbol of beauty, grace, and strength. It is often depicted in art, textile, and sculptures, and its image is used in many government official logos and emblems. The bird also plays an important role in traditional African folklore and is seen as a messenger of the gods. Despite being a national symbol, the black-crowned crane is considered endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. The official bird of Nigeria is not the eagle. Thank you for watching. I trust you've learned something. Kindly share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow for more. And most importantly, make sure you are reading. Bye for now.